Hello there. My name is Jonathan Brightman. With my two partners, Yona and Itamar Yuviler, we built a small security robot called iRobot. Our goal is to secure our house using simple, low-maintenance tech solution. This app-controlled small robot satisfies this description. The core components we used for implementing this robot is ESP32, along with many other sensors, ESP32, motors, and more. Its main features are autonomous and manual controlling modes, live streaming and footage library placed in the cloud, and a charging station which the robot can go into and out of autonomously. The robot and its configurable settings can be set by the user in a dedicated application, like in this page, as well as indications and information such as live feed of the room, low battery, and more that are sent from the robot to the user through the application. The user can control the robot in manual mode or switch to autonomous mode. In this mode, the robot performs controls while sticking to the walls of the room by analyzing the data received from its various sensors, like distance sensors. When the robot detects low battery, it alerts the user and docks at a charging station. It knows how to detect charging and can even alert the user if the operation fails. And when finished charging, it will leave the station and continue his patrol. The robot captures a live feed and saves images which can be viewed in the application, like here. The information is saved in Firebase, and in general, all the information, including commands that passes between the application and the robot, and vice versa, passes through Firebase services. Now, we'll see an overall demonstration of the robot, including the user's control over it. In order to use the app, the user must sign in or sign up. Right now, we're watching a sign up example. Now we will see an example for using the robot in manual mode. First, we'll check the saved footage page. We'll load all the recent footage the robot has already taken. Right now it's only one picture, as seen here. Then, let's check out the control page. This page shows us some variables we can control in order to affect the autonomous movement of the robot. Like the number of room corners, we can adjust it to be higher or lower. And we can also change the time interval between taking photos. We can also change the time interval between charges by explicitly editing it. And also there's the charging time that we can change at the bottom. Okay. Now let's finally check out the live video of the robot. This is us, by the way. And here we are already in manual mode, and you can see the footage that the robot is transmitting. And here we can press the little camera icon in order to take a picture. And right now we just got a message from the robot that he actually took the picture. And the other thing we can do in this mode is control its movement, like telling it to go forward or to go left. And we can also tell it to go back. Like that. And finally, let's check out the saved footage page once again to see that the new photo that we asked the robot to take is actually added to the gallery. And we can see that now we have two photos, and that's a new photo of us that was taken right now with its current date. Now we'll see an example for the robot's autonomous movement. Shortly he will start moving, and we'll see his live feed as he's touring around the wall. And since in this case it doesn't need to go into the charging station, it will just turn in the corner and continue its movement around the room. You can see right now he goes over and continue. Now we will see an example for autonomous movement in which the robot does go into the charging station. The robot will go into charging if at least one of the next three conditions is met. 1. The user has pressed the battery icon in the window on screen, telling the robot to go charge, like now. 2. The robot detects that he has low battery. Or 3. The time interval that was set in the control page has passed since the last time the robot charged itself. And right now we can see that the robot actually sent a message to the app that he is charging, and after the charging time that was set in the control page will pass, he will leave the station and continue his ordinary touring around the room. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.